Today we are going to start chapter 4. Not we are going to start. We have already started chapter yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay. Now open the same chapter. Open the same chapter. This one. Open this chapter. On land animal. Today we'll do this. So here is our book. Okay. No need to show my book. No need to say my book. You have your own book. So follow the chapter from your own book. Lamia, where is your book? Okay. So we will start from food for wild animals. We will start from here. Food for wild animals. See, food for wild animal. From here we will start. Understood? Also, let me take my pen. Okay. So, let's start. Pronavi, sit down. Okay, let me check before starting. What are you doing? Alvira, are you facing any problem? You should do all these things before starting the class. Everyone, get ready from next day before 10 minutes of starting the class. Okay? Now? Okay. So, now we will learn food for wild animals. Anubhav, don't look at outside from the window. See, different animals eat different types of food. If you also want to do the class homework from this chapter, you have to listen to me carefully, because in the class meanwhile I can say any extra thing. So you need to be more attentive in the class. Okay? Listen. Different animals eat different types of food according to their different food habits. According to their the food what they have. So according to their Ovigan, yes, don't show me your book, follow it. According to their different food habit, they are divided into two different groups. Who? Animal are divided into two different groups. Animal are divided into two different groups. Underline this sentence. Follow me. Now we are going to learn about plant eater. We are going to learn about plant eaters or herbivores. Herbivores. So, who are called herbivores? Herbivores mean herb mean plant. We know that herb mean plant. So, herbivores mean those who are plant eater. So, animal, see, animal that eat grass, leaves and fruits are called plant eaters or herbivores. Herbivores. Herbivores mean those who are plant eater. Plant and herb both are like similar word, not same. Rabbit, deer, giraffe are herbivores. Understood? Lamia Naratrika. Yes, Lamia say.
Ma'am, what is race?
Veg.
Race. A-I-S-E.
Where? Which page?
24 page.
This page. The page I'm showing you right now.
No.
So, why are you
24
now?
page.
Okay. Definitely, I will share everything, but not now. Let me complete this page. After that, you can ask me. Now, I'm showing you this page. Okay, complete this page. If you have any doubt from this page, ask me now. Okay, let me complete this page. Then I will tell you the meaning of that word. Okay. Understood, Amia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aratrika, say.
Ma'am, my one question.
From this page, listen to me, everyone. From this page, if you have any question, you can ask me after 5 minutes. Let me complete that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. So, I repeat now. Look at the true fact. Very, very important. An adult giraffe's tongue is 17 inches long. An adult giraffe tongue is 17 inches long. Just think about it. Yesterday we also have discussed this thing. Okay? Now go to the next page. Okay. See. See. Sometime is okay. So animal that hunt. Now do from here. Plant eater. Plant eaters or carnivores. Oh, disturbing the class. Okay. See, plant eater. So after herbivores, now we are going to learn about flesh eater. So who are called flesh eater? Who? Flesh eater means animal eaters or carnivores. Animals that hunt other animals and eat their flesh are called flesh eaters or carnivores. Understood? So animals that hunt other animals and eat their flesh are called flesh eaters or flesh eaters. See, or carnivorous animal like cheetah, fox, and snake. Okay. Underline this word. Underline this word. Okay. Flesh eater. Who? Cheetah, fox, snake, lion, other animals. All other animal. Okay. Next, omnivorous animal. Omnivores mean what is this? Animal that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. This is very important. Plants along with plants, this animal also eat flesh of other animals. They are called omnivorous animal like birds and bear. They are known as omnivorous animals. Understood? Now scavengers. Who who are this type of animals? Scavengers. Animal that eat flesh of dead animal. Listen one thing, everyone. There are few animals who like to eat the flesh of dead animal, like vulture, jackal, hyena. They are called scavenger because these animals like to eat only the flesh of dead animal. Not every animal, not all animal. Though all animal are flesh eater, few and most of the animal are flesh eater, but there are also few animal who like to eat typically the flesh of dead animal like vulture, jackal and hyena. They are called scavengers. Okay, very interesting thing. Okay, now look at the next page. Oh no, no next page. There are few things. Okay. Animal in danger. Okay, we can do this thing next class. Let me ask to you any question, how many question or doubt we have. Okay, let us complete this. Animals in danger. So nowadays all animals are also in danger. Why? Animals that live in forests are sometimes killed by human being. Human being, very important part, very important part now we are doing. Animal in danger. I can ask you a question that why do you think that animal are danger in present day? Why? What is the reason? Reason is animal that live in forests are sometimes killed by human being. Human being hunt wild animals for their recreation. Recreation means their enjoyment, just like hunting. Hunting also a hobby. You know, in ancient time, in earlier time, all the zamindar who were zamindar or who were king, they their hobby was hunting. They like to go for hunting. So hunting was their hobby. Why hobby? Because by killing animal they get a pleasure, and it was also a question of their status. Suppose I am a king. I am a king. I'm not a queen. I am a king. So it will be my status. How many animal will be killed by me? It will be my status. Okay. So also animal. This time also though hunting of animal nowadays is prohibited by our government, but in ancient time, in earlier time, it was a practice by all the king. Okay, so for their recreation, food, and many other things. Due to this mean for this thing. Okay, student, don't busy to raise your hand. Listen to me very carefully. Each and every word I am explaining. Each and every words I am explaining. Listen to me. Due to this mean for this reason. Animals like pandas, rhinoceros, rabbits, and tiger have become less in number or endangered. So, who are called endangered? Don't ask me my question. I am asking you who are endangered. Endangered mean the animal who have become less in number, just like cheetah, just like white tiger. Okay, it become rhinoceros, rabbit, pandas. They are now became endangered animal. So who are endangered? Endangered mean the animal that become less in number day by day. Day by day. Understood? Many of them underline this sentence very important. Endangered animal. Endangered. Many of them like underline now few example. Asiatic lion, dodo. Dodo is the name of a bird. Great Indian hornbill. Great Great Indian hornbill no longer exists on the earth. Think about it. Asiatic lion, dodo, and the Great Indian hornbill. Next class, I will try to show you the picture of this animal. Those are not no longer exist on our earth. So if I give you a question that write the name of few animals who are in danger, not in danger, who are not exist on the earth. So there is a difference between endangered animal and who are no longer exist. No longer mean they are right now they are not on our earth. But endangered mean just like cheetah, tiger, rhinoceros, rabbit, they are present right now. They are present, but they are very very few in number. And day by day, the number is decreasing. Okay, now they have become extinct. So the animal who are no longer on the earth, they are called extinct, extinct animal. I can ask you a question that what is the difference between endangered and extinct animal? Then your answer should be that, ma'am, endangered mean the animal who have become less in number, who are few in number, but extinct mean no longer exists on the earth. Understood? No longer exists, and endangered mean become less in number. Very very important question from this chapter. Okay, you can also write it down. We need to stop hunting animals. We need to stop hunting animals. Okay, only one page left. Today I will stop here. Let me ask you few questions. Let me ask you. Every day you ask me. Let me ask you few questions. Okay, so today I'll stop here. Last 10 last few minutes I have. So I would like to discuss question answer. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Okay, Lamia say
Yes, ma'am.
who are called who are called endangered animal, who are called endangered animal. Lamia say got it.
Panda, rhinoceros, rabbit, and
Hmm.
Asiatic.
Who are why they are called why? Very good, nice answer, but why they are called, can you tell me why?
Human beings hunt wild animals for their
No,
and
no, no,
eat.
no, Baba. What is the answer? The answer is because this animal become less
For
in number day by day. This animal day by day, their number is decreasing day by day. Rabbit, this animal, rhinoceros. Okay, I told you to underline the sentence. You didn't do that.
yes,
Okay, okay. Pronobi say Pronobi. Yes, Pronobi say. Pronobi say. Why they are called endangered?
because mean because they are killed by many human beings.
Yes, yes. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I saw
Hmm.
many small monkeys in the zoo, in the Alipur Zoo,
Hmm.
and they are endangered animal.
Many small monkeys and their endangered animals. Okay. Very nice information Pronovi shared with us. Thank you, Pronovi. Okay. Keep updating yourself, and you can also share your own ideas, own information with me. Okay, very good,
Okay, ma'am.
very good. There I will fix one class. There will be only this type of, we will discuss this type of information related to science. Okay, related to our chapter, new information you will give me, you will give. Okay, Let us complete our chapter after that. Okay, I will see that how important and how creative information who can give me. Okay, next Aratrika Patto. Alvira, Alvira, sit down. Otherwise, you will get removed from the class. Sit properly. Last time I'm telling you, sit properly. Don't you know whole the class is recording? How can you sit like this? Aratrika Patro say,
Ma'am,
yes,
metal footprints.
yes, say.
And panda means
Panda. Panda means a animal. It's an animal. Don't you know panda? Okay, next
okay,
day
ma'am.
in next class I will show you the picture of all these animals. Next day, because today we have only 3 minutes. Panda, Asiatic animal, rhinoceros, dodo, all the animal, all the picture. Tomorrow
Ma'am,
I'll show you. Yes.
hyena means hyena.
Hyena is also animal like jackal. Like jackal, it's a hyena. Okay, have you seen Lion King?
And I
How,
see.
how many of you have seen Lion King? The Lion King, in the Lion King, in the yes, Devi. So there, in the picture, you can see a group of hyena was there in the second half of the movie. Hyena, yes. I can see
Yes,
Devi,
ma'am.
Tamanna. Okay, okay. Anubhav,
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, tortoise means kochum, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Once again, let me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, most welcome. Give me 1 second. Let me give you attendance. 1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever question you have, write down in a copy. Do one thing. Whatever question you have to me, write down in a copy. So when I will complete the chapter, so that you can ask me. You don't no need to take a time to think about it. That will be better for me and for you also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Not only for Aratrika, each and every Friday we will discuss the question answer from the last chapter. Okay, so from chapter 4, you can also give me some information and you can ask me few questions from this chapter. Tomorrow this chapter will be completed. Tomorrow, by tomorrow, positively, so that Friday we can discuss all the doubt, all the question answer. Is it clear to all? 1 minute we are having. 1 minute we are having. Okay, let me unmute you. 1 second.
Yes, ma'am. I
What
got
is
it.
the meaning of divided?
Divided mean division. Divided mean division.
Okay, ma'am, understood. Okay, ma'am, I understood what is the meaning of divided. Divided means division.
Yes.
One people in the Sundarban, one people is
Hmm.
hunting the Royal Bengal tiger with the music.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I also was God Sundarban.
Okay, listen one thing. Okay, okay. Friday, tell me. Friday, all students I will hear. Friday.
Ma'am, I see the tiger.
Now,
Okay, very good, very good.
right.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, I see the Bengal tiger.
Nile Bengal tiger, very good.
See, lion.
Yes, Albi. Okay, okay.
So,
Okay, Baba. So for today, bye bye. Just excuse me for only today.
zoo.
We'll discuss. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, I see three Royal Bengal tigers.
Three Royal Bengal Tiger. Bye
Bye.
bye. So listen, your homework is today. You know that each in every Friday I upload homework. Okay, today you will get study material from the previous chapter. I will upload the study material of chapter 3 today. Only exercise question answer. And study material from this chapter you will get Friday. But your homework is just learn this chapter and learn each and every sentence and memorize. Tomorrow I will ask you one by one. Okay. Tata bye bye for today. Tata.